Good morning from Agua Verde. That word means turquoise, which is really what this water is. It's spectacular here. We're in the Sea of Cortez. Today, we're going to do just one of my very favorite poses. It's a butterfly pose. I'm really working, I'm 58 years old, so I'm really working on joints. Joints, mobility, flexibility, it's what keeps us moving in life. So this is a really great one. You put your feet together, you bring them as close as you can to your groin, and then with your feet still together, you just gently push your knees down. There's a couple of ways. Sometimes people bounce them. I personally just like to give it a nice, steady little bit of pressure. It opens up your hips, helps those hips not be so crunchy and grindy, gets the lotion rolling through that hip joint. The ultimate goal is that eventually the knees will touch the ground. I'm clearly not there yet, but I'm super stoked to see where I'll be in 30 days. Cheers.